Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So former Mnakwethu cast members Bheki and his two wives have put Mnakwethu producers on blast and exposes them for taking advantage of them, you guys. They said they were promised over 50,000 rands each for being on the show last season, and that never happened, you guys. So they spoke to the Sunday World and this is what they had to say. I was recruited by one of the participants to join Mnakwethu show. The agreement was that each of us would be paid 50,000 rands. I became suspicious when they refused to give us copies of the contract, said Bheki. He also said that his wives and himself never received the payment. He continued and said, I only received 12,000 rands instead of 50,000. I received that money because I needed to fix my car, so I asked them to pay me in advance. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been paid. Our verbal agreement was that I'd be paid the rest of the money after the show, but they never paid. I did not ask them because we had an agreement and I expected them to fulfill it. It has been a year already and there's no sign of payments. I am aggrieved because they used my plight to gain viewership. If I had the money, I'd be suing them for taking advantage of me, said Bheki. Hlengiwe, who is Bheki's second wife, said that she has not received any payment. She said, I was promised 50,000 but I received nothing. I never followed up because I was highly pregnant and I didn't want to stress myself. I was also suspicious when they took all the paperwork with them. I had no doubt that they made a lot of money through our own episode, but we gained nothing from it. Umakhosi Mashelembe added that no one phoned to explain why she has not been paid as promised. She said, I don't understand why I never received the money because I had an agreement with them. I am not happy because my life was exposed for all to see. But in the end, I gained nothing but stress. My life has become harder. I'm even struggling to buy food and nappies for the baby. Now, please, guys, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will surely see you on the next upload. Bye.